Hi guys, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Pupunta kami ngayon ng Tanay. Biglaan lang. Nagkaroon lang kami ng trip ngayon na camping. Camping overnight, tapos jogging kami ng morning sa
Gug.
I thought I saw your face today, but I just turned my head away. Your face against the trees, but I just see the memories as they come, and I couldn't help but fall in love again. No, I couldn't help but fall in love again. I saw it glitter as I grew and loved it. Why I never knew. I thought this place was heaven sent, but now it's just a monument in my mind, and I couldn't help.
Anong nagustuhan mo sa torta?
May itlog.
Paborito ko rin yan eh, torta. Pero dati, nung maliit ako, hindi ko kinakain yung gitna.
Bakit?
Kasi gulay.